2019 Buick Cascada. With less than 14,000 miles on the odometer, this coupe is sleek and stylish with added comforts. You'll enjoy first-class features that create a premium environment, such as lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, heated rear seats, HID headlights, power driver seat, power passenger seat, convertible soft top, pass-through rear seat, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth, roll bars, power outlet. This is a top-rated dealer. We're here to help you find what fits your lifestyle.